Yo, Sakafet, I wanna thank every single one of you who participate in the 100k giveaway. Today we are gonna use an online comment picker to choose the winners. It's gonna be a simple process, so let's get to it. Before we start, I wanna send a big shout out and thank you for the company that make this giveaway possible. We have Image Line, Novation, Arturia, Steinberg, and Audio Modern. Go check them out. We go with the FL Studio licenses. We're gonna pick 2 winner and then let's put FL Studio, and boom, we're gonna pick 3 random people. We have 1 from Ghana and then definitely one that FL Studio. So those are the 3 people that win the FL Studio licenses. Now we jump directly for the artifact guitar. I wanna thank Steinberg for giving away 3 licenses for this amazing guitar plugin. So we're gonna randomly choose 3 winners. Boom. Those are the 3 people that win the artifact guitar. Let me just take a screenshot just to make sure that they are on video. What am I talking about? Yeah, please guys, don't forget to send your information so you can receive your licenses. Now we jump directly to the Absolute 7. Absolute 7 is gonna be only 2 winners. Maybe we actually put the Absolute 7. And then boom, we randomly pick the one. Those are the 2 people that win the Absolute 7. Now we jump for the next one. The reason why that I didn't add the artifact guitar is because I tried without the name and then there are no people that say they want the artifact guitar. I don't know if I wasn't that clear on the artifact guitar plugin, but I randomly chose 3 winners. So that's how it is. And now we jump to the next one, which is gonna be Arturia V collection. Let's type V collection, and then this one is gonna be only 1 winner. Randomly pick one of them. Boom. Okay, we have DDR Music that say that they want the Arturia V collection and it is from Belgium. So here is the winner for the V collection. Okay, now we go directly for the FX collection. Boom. Okay, we have Pod by Su and he is from Turkey. So he is the winner for the FX collection. I want to thank Arturia for giving away those 2 licenses. They are big collection. That means you will have some crazy, some top tier amazing plugin. Thanks again Arturia for make this possible. And now we go for the play beat. It's gonna be 3 winners. Boom. There is no comment found for the play beat. That's the same thing that's happened with the artifact guitar. I'm just randomly gonna choose 3 winners. Okay, we have someone that's from Nigeria, another one from Sierra Leone, and another one from South Africa. Those are our 3 winners for the play beat. And now guys, we jump directly for the FL Key 49. This one is gonna be only 1 winner. And guys, I wanna thank you again and again and again for being part of this amazing community. And hopefully this year we can make big stuff. We can have some placement, more collaboration, more video. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of video that you want from me. So, and guys, we have the winner for the FL Key 49, which is Claybeat One Touch. Don't forget to send all your information, your email, and Claybeat, please send your address so I can send everything over for every single one of you that wins today. So yeah, that's been it guys. I hope in the near future I can organize another giveaway and with more winners. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you next week.